Bora Pharmaceuticals is a global CDMO. We provide development and manufacturing services to the pharmaceutical industry. We have 10 sites around the world, around 2,500 employees. We distribute to more than 100 markets. We produce small molecule, large molecule. We do fill finish, all different types of dosage forms. Our mission is to really improve lives around the world. We want to be a partner for biotech and pharma to help make sure that as many patients as possible are treated. When we think about sustainability, it's both an ethical obligation, but it's also an expectation of the industry. As we work with more and more pharmaceutical companies, their expectation is that we're being a good steward of the resources that we have available to us, and that we're really taking great care of the environments that we're working within. Sustainability is important for Bora Pharmaceuticals for many reasons, one of which is, our board has made sure that that's something that we stay focused on from a governance perspective. We want to make sure that we're doing the best we can to leverage our resources because it is an ethical obligation, but also because it's a right to operate for our pharmaceutical companies that we're working with. We're seeing more and more within the industry that some of the larger pharmaceutical companies, it's an expectation. When they're looking for companies to partner with, they expect us to prioritize sustainability just as much as they do. Our site in Mississauga is probably the most mature site from a sustainability perspective. They're probably the most robust program that we have, and they're kind of the role model when it comes to sustainability. Mississauga has a goal of becoming SBTI certified in 2025. And then when we think about the APAC region, Zhunan has increased capacity, but they've also been able to reduce their thermal oxidation by about 38%. So obviously quite impressive to have those types of lofty goals from a sustainability perspective. The Baltimore site here is part of the Bora family just as of August of 2024. It was previously an emergent site that we acquired. We brought it into the Bora network to serve as a fill finish site for sterile manufacturing for large molecule as well as small molecule. It was a strategic play to allow us to start to service our customers for a longer piece of the value chain. So a customer that we were previously manufacturing drug substance for on the large molecule side of things will actually be able to help them to go all the way through to the drug product step. The sustainability team is here to visit the Baltimore site, and one of the things we want to understand is kind of where are we today from an emissions perspective. We're coming up on the 1-year anniversary, so they'll be here to collect some samples and understand where it fits and what opportunities we have to continue to improve the site. The next few months and years for the site are very exciting. The FlexPro line that was invested in by the previous owners Emergent, that's a high-speed isolator line that we'll be bringing online in the next couple of weeks. The board just recently approved an AST, fully automated isolator line that'll do vials, syringes, and cartridges. So that construction will be underway by July, and it'll be coming online by the end of the year. That'll allow us to manufacture clinical as well as orphan and small scale commercial products. And then obviously we've got ongoing commercial supply for close to 20 customers. So it'll be a lot happening here in the Baltimore site, continuing to train people, continuing to enhance the abilities of the site. But it's exciting times here at the facility. We truly believe that this site can be one of the flagship facilities for the Bora network. It's kind of our first delve into fill finish. We know we'll need additional capacity elsewhere in North America, likely in Europe, as well as in the APAC region. But this will be what we use as that role model site. We think about what we're doing this year, bringing the FlexPro line on, the installation of the AST isolator line. It poises this facility to really be able to take what we're doing to the next level. We'll be able to service the needs of our customers for years to come. But we also understand that, within the next couple of years, we'll likely need to install a high-speed line greater than 150 vials per minute. We also know that from a capacity perspective, many of our customers are forecasting, units per year that we will need to grow as well. So we'll have to have that in mind, whether it's, expansion of this facility, maximizing the footprint of this facility. So we're going to continue to learn and maximize our opportunities and efficiencies here. But we know that this is, kind of what Bora can be, and this site will be that role model for both us and for our customers to show what Bora's capabilities are in continuing to service and really treat customers differently than what they've seen elsewhere within the CDMO industry.
Thanks for watching. Learn more at bora-corp.com. Click now for more videos exploring sustainable enterprises, and please subscribe for the latest international business insights from worldfinance.com.